red feather from Grephax. As you can see, I have created this artistic space man wearing some chainmail under his spacesuit. First, I would like to thank all of our subscribers and to those whom have been viewing our videos, including the live streams. It means a lot to us, and thank you. This was pretty easy to put together, although a little rough around the edges, to put it mildly. This was all put together utilizing Krita. We used the chainmail pattern from the patterns and used some predefined patterns from Edit Brush. There are some wonderful predefined patterns in Edit Brush, making for an easy way to develop an artistic image or video. Once our predefines were set up, we added a new layer and placed a black background. As you can see, we are utilizing version 5.2.2 of Krita. Once again, this is a quick thank you video with a very minor tutorial. We hope you have enjoyed. I am out.